came early. No, I mean I came.
Now it's okay, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Mister, can you explain me again?
Which one?
The lesson, Mister, because I came now.
Mister, I cannot explain the lesson, all of the lesson now, but you can watch the video and ask me if you don't understand it. Do you solve the homework? Did you solve the homework?
This is the homework, sir.
Mister, did you solve the homework? Where have you been, Mr. Tamim? This
Mister,
is the questions in the homework, the previous one. Do you understand it?
Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay.
Do you have questions there?
No, Mister. Okay, thank you, no.
This is not a new lesson, yeah, Mister. This is we just in the homework. I'm asking if you have questions there.
Oh, Mister, I understand the lesson, but when I see the page 287.
La. We didn't start with this lesson yet. We are on page 285 now.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay. Now, do you understand everything in this page? Good. طيب, else. يعني ما في كلكم فاهمين ما شاء الله. طيب. I'll do for you guys some questions from this page. I'll do some questions from this page. First, I'll do question 3. See question 3 up? Check your answers. I sent the corrections already, but check your answers in question 3. In question 3, we have 4 plus 4y plus y plus 3. Now, I want the terms, the like terms, the coefficients, the constants. We did that before. Now, let's start with the terms. I have 4 terms here, which are 4, 4y, y, and 3. Now, the like terms, we have 2 like terms here, 4y and y together. We write them like this. And 4 with the 3, we write them like this. The numbers together, they are like terms. Now, the coefficients, we said the numbers which are besides the variable. These are the variables. What we have here, 4. And here, we don't have a number here, right? If we don't have a number, it is hidden 1. It is 1. If the variable has no number beside it, it is 1 ya Tamim. It is 1. If the number has no variable beside, no number beside it, it is 1. But the one in math, we don't write it as a coefficient. What are the coefficients? The number without the variables, which are 4 and 3. This is question 3. I will do for you also question 12. Question 12. Let's read the question together. And I want Mr. Ahmed Antar to read.
A rectangle has a length that is half.
Wait. The question said a rectangle. شو بنعمل? We will draw a rectangle. The question said a rectangle. So let's draw a rectangle. I did it. Continue.
Has a length that is half its width.
Good. So we have in the rectangle, guys, we have length and width. We have length
and
width. Type. I will call the width W. And I will call the length
L.
Okay, Ahmed.
Okay.
Continue.
Define a variable to represent.
Before. That has a length equals to?
Half its width.
Half its width. Look here, guys. Look here. A rectangle, I drew a rectangle. It has length and width. I call the length L, I call the width W. The question said that the length is half of the width. Half of the width. See? طب, if this L here, what's the upper side here? It will be
Length also.
length also. Also half W. The question wants that. If this W, what's this here?
W also.
W. Now the question, if you continue reading, Ahmad.
Define a variable to represent.
Continue.
Define a variable to represent the unknown quantity. Then
Hello. Now the unknown quantity are length, I define it by L, and width, I define it by W. Continue.
Then write an expression to represent the perimeter of the rectangle.
Now how to find the perimeter of the rectangle? We add the four sides. We add the four sides. Let's start from here. L. But what's L? Half?
L is half W.
Half W. Plus.
Plus
Here,
W. Plus W. Plus 1 over 2 W.
Half W also.
1 over 2 W.
And here,
plus W.
W. This is the algebraic expression which we want. This is question 12, guys. Copy, please, if you didn't solve it. Now stay with me, Ahmed. I'll do question 13 also. Stay with me, Ahmed. Ahmed? Copy question 12, guys, please. Copy question 12. Now, I want someone to read with me question 13. Shukri. Read it, Shukri.
Okay. In a triangle, there are two sides that have the same length.
Wait. In what?
In a triangle,
I draw a triangle. When the question here, the question said a rectangle, I draw a rectangle. A triangle, I draw a triangle. In a triangle, continue.
okay. In a triangle, there are two sides that have the same length.
Good.
And the third
in
side.
the triangle يا ابني وبعدين مع القراءة السريعة هذه مش فاهم أنا شو بتستفيدوا يعني لما بتقرأ الكويشن أنت بسرعة كيف بتفهمه؟ ها كيف؟
بركز فيه.
أنا ما بقدرش أركز بضيع. Read slowly يا مستر. In a triangle, I draw a triangle. We have two sides. They have what?
The two sides have the same length.
The same length. Do we know the length?
No.
No, so we'll call it M. Huh? This is M and this is what?
M.
M. Why I call both M? Because both have the same length. Continue.
And the third side is 1.5 times longer than the length.
Hello. I called the length M, and the third side, this one, is 1.5 times the length, which is what? M. So here we have M, M, and 1.5 M. Continue.
Of the other two, define a variable to represent the unknown quantity. Then write.
I called the length to be M. I did it already. Then what?
Yeah. Then write an algebraic expression to represent the perimeter of the triangle.
I want the perimeter. Now to find the perimeter, we need to add all the sides of the polygon. So I will add the sides now. 1.5 M plus M.
M plus M.
This is the algebraic expression for the perimeter. This is a question 12 and this is a question 13. Hope you understand them both. Now, after we revise the homework and done with the questions here, let's go to the next lesson, page 280. Evaluate algebraic expressions. Page 287. All of you go there and leave everything and take a look to the board, please. Yeah, I think now you are ready. Now leave everything, guys, and take a look to the board, please. Please. All of you. Now, in the previous lesson, we write algebraic expression. We write them, right? In the previous expression, in the previous lesson, we write algebraic expression only. We say if a variable t, we say مثلا t plus 4, and we stop. This is what we call it algebraic expression. Today, what we will do, guys, we will evaluate this algebraic expression. But I don't know how to evaluate algebraic expression if I don't know the value of this unknown variable. So the question will give me the value of the variable. Let's say it is 5. The question will give you the value of the variable. So we will evaluate this expression for t equals 5. How I will evaluate? I will go to the expression, replace t by its value. I'll go to the expression, replace t by its value here, which is 5. So it will be 5 equal 5 plus 4, which is 9. Example, evaluate, focus guys, focus. M minus 4 for m equals 10. I cannot evaluate without this. I cannot evaluate m minus 4 alone because I don't know the value of m. But now I know the value of m. So I will replace the value of m by 10, which is the given. So it is equal, replace m by 10, it will be 10 minus 4, which is 6. For example, evaluate eight plus r for r equals 13. I don't know the value of r, but now I know it. So I replace r by its value, which is 13. So this is equal 8 plus 13, which is a 21. So it's easy idea. What I will do, I'll replace the variable by the given number and calculate normally. For example, if I have this, evaluate, and focus please guys here. Evaluate 9f. 9f for f equals 10. What I will do here, I will replace the value of f or f itself by 10. It will be 9 and the f 10. 910. This is wrong. Don't do that. Don't do that. اوعى. Be careful. انتبه. اوعى تعمل هيك. 9F means what? 9F means what يا أحمد ناجد?
I know, teacher.
أحمد ناجد. لا أحمد ناجد نفسه. Put your hand, ya Ahmed. Put your hand. Hello.
Yes.
What's the 9F means?
9F means 9 multiply F.
يا عيني عليك. It is 9 multiply F. 9 multiply. But here we don't try the multiplication sign between 9 and the variable. But if we change the F to be 10, it will be 9. I need to write the multiplication sign. Do not put it like this without anything if you have two numbers. No, this is wrong. This is the correct. This one. 9 times 10 is 90. Thank you. For example, look here, guys. Evaluate 8x. 8x. 8x for x equals 2. 8x. Don't write 8, then 2, like this. This is wrong. 8x means 8 multiply x. 8x means 8 multiply x. Now I want to replace x with 2. It will be 8 multiply 2, which is 16. Here it is x. Here it is the multiplication sign, which we didn't write it here. Focus. Focus. Example. Evaluate 9 over t. For t equal 4. Here, the over here, it is division. So this is equal 9, replace the t by its value, 9 over 4. Now 9 over 4, we cannot do simplest 4, but we can make long division. Do long division, it will be 2.5. 9.4 is 2.9 over 4 is 2.5. Any question about this idea, guys? Any question about this idea? Put your hands, please. Tamim. Ammar.
Yes, mister. I don't understand very well the lesson. No, that thing. I mean, I don't understand very
Me
well.
also.
Which one? This one?
Me. No,
Yes.
mister. Like, yeah.
Tamim,
Yeah.
Tamim talk. This one you didn't understand that?
Yeah.
9 over t. How much is t?
4.
Replace t with 4.
Okay. And
9 over 4. What we will do 9 over 4?
or simplify.
Divide. Make long division, mister.
Oh, okay.
9 divided by 4.
Only.
بس only. ولا شو أعمل يعني?
Thank you.
Do you understand these questions here?
Yeah. I understand it. Yeah.
طيب, here divide. Only divide. If the question want to multiply, multiply, divide, add, subtract.
Okay, Mr.
Depends
How
on
we know that the question need us to divide or multiply or?
Here, what we have here, Mr. Read it.
M minus 4.
So what we will do?
Will minus. Okay.
طب here, what we have here, read.
A 9F. It means 9 multiply F.
That's why I wrote multiply, and I did multiply.
Okay, thank you.
So it depends on the algebraic expression. Yes, yeah, Ammar.
Sir, also I don't, nothing. I understand.
كيف nothing يا زلمة؟ كيف nothing يعني؟
My question like Tamim and I understand it now.
طيب يلا, go to example 1 and read يا Mr.
Okay. Example 1. Evaluate.
Go guys, wait يا عمار. All of you guys, go to example 1 please. All of you. يلا يا عمار, read.
Evaluate the expression 6b when b equal 1 over 2.
يلا 6 what? B when
Yes.
B equal 1 over 2. Tell me Ammar, what I will do?
Fetch 6B.
حطيت 6B. يلا خلصني. شو أعمل؟ عمار.
Yeah.
يلا 6B for B equal half. شو أعمل؟
6.5. It will be 6.5.
يا سلام.
6.5
كيف يعني؟ ها؟
يعني يصير mixed number يعني 6.5.
6.5. يعني we don't do nothing here, right? يا مستر what's the meaning of 6B؟ شو يعني 6B؟ ايش يعني 6B؟
Can I say?
multiply. طب ما تحط الملتبلاي هون. ما أنا حكيت don't do that. Remember? Don't do that. لا تعمل هيك. لا تعمل هيك. كم مرة حكيت؟ How we do this now?
6 over 1.
You understand it, يا
Yes.
Guys, when I say 8n, 8n, and n equal 400. حلو أنا حر أنا. 8n شو يعني 8n؟ إيش يعني 8n؟ لا تحط 8 و 400. تحطش هيك يا أخي، لا تحط هيك، خلاص لا تحط. كم مرة أعيدها يعني عشان تفهموا. لا تحطها هيك، خلاص. 8n means 8 multiply. في multiply هون حطها. It will be 3200. بعدين عمار, do you understand it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Read the check يا عمار, يلا.
Okay.
Under the example, guys, we have check. Do it with us.
Evaluate x over 6 when x equals 33.
X over 6 when x equal 33. شو بدي أعمل يا عمار?
First, it will be 33 over 6.
33 over 6. What they did here, I will do here the same, but I replace x with its value. Then شو أعمل هلا؟
Divide.
لا. Simplest form. ما احنا بناخذ الشغلة وبتنسوها انتوا ولا كأنه أخذناها. Simplest form ما أخذناش simplest form صح يا عمار؟
No, we take.
يلا, how we do simplest form? Can you help me here?
Yeah. Divide by 3 equal 11 over 2.
Now 11 over 2, it is 5.2.
5.2.
I think, I'm not sure. 5.2. Okay, let's check.
Okay.
11 divided by 2, 5, 10, subtract 1, decimal 0, 2. No, 5.5. How come 5.5? 5.5. 5.5. This is the check. Ammar, do you understand them?
Yeah.
If you don't understand, guys, please put your hands, please. Yusuf. Rayyan Amjad.
Yes.
Yes, Yusuf. Do you understand the example and the check?
Yes.
Good boy. طيب, wait, ya Yusuf. Wait. Rayyan, where are you, Rayyan? Put your hand.
Here, mister.
Do you understand, Rayyan?
Yes, but how 5.5?
يا زلمة اعمل ديفايد يا ريان. ديفايد يعني اروح اعلمك الديفايد هلا. اعلمك الديفايد. 5 by 2 10. Subtract 1. Decimal we add 0. ولا نسيت؟
No, I remember.
طيب يعني مش مع خلاص كبرنا على هاي القصص يا ريان صح؟
Yes.
Yes. Do you understand everything else يا ابني؟
Yes, I understand all of it.
Are you with me يا يوسف؟
Yes.
يلا يوسف, read example 2 أشوف. Example 2.
Evaluate the expressions x plus y when x 3/4 and y 2/3.
X plus y. X how much?
3/4.
3/4. And y how much?
2/3.
2/3. Here I have two variables, and the question gave me both values. What I will do, mister? Tell me. Yusuf.
3/4.
X, I'll replace X by 3/4. ممتاز, huh? Plus Y. How much is Y?
2/3.
So I'll put here 2/3. How we add the fractions, yeah, Yusuf? Can we add directly now?
No.
Why?
Because
Down, do we have the same numbers?
no.
So we cannot add, that's why. What we will do to make them the same numbers, yeah, Yusuf? Tell me.
3 and 4 multiplied by 3.
We multiply 3 and 4 by 3. 2 and 3 by?
4.
By 4. Mishek?
Yes.
Yeah. This is equal 9/12 plus 8/12, right?
Yes.
Can we add now?
Yes.
Which is 17. Now let's make long division. It will be 1 and 5/12. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
Goodbye. So this example 2, guys, x plus y. X is given, y is given. I replace them and put them in the places. Then I cannot add the fractions if I have different denominators. So at this case, I multiply here with 3, here with 4, calculate, then add, then find my answer. This is the example number 2. Let's do the check. Under the example, guys, we have check. Who's with me in the check? In the check, I have a plus b. Given that a equal 5/6 and b equal 3 and 1/4. Do you have time, guys?
4 minutes.
I only have 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So look here, guys, and focus. 4 minutes, good. Now here, guys, a plus b, the value of a is 5/6. So I replace a by 5/6. I have a plus, I put a plus. B is 3 and 1/4. I put it. Now I need to find the answer.
Mister, can
I
I answer?
cannot add mixed number with a fraction. So what I will do here, I will turn this to be fraction. We did that before. So 5/6 plus, turn this to fraction, 13/4. Now I cannot add directly because I have different denominators. So what I will do, guys, I will make them equal. 5 and 6 both times 4 plus 13 and 4 both times 6. This is equal up 20/24 plus down here 24 and up 13 by 6. Do it. 78. This is equal down 24 and up 98. Now we can simplify this answer, divide on 2 up and down. It will be down 12, up how much? 46, 98 divided by 2. It is 4, 8, subtract 49. Yes, 49, sorry. Now, if we divide 49/12 long division, it will be 4 and 1 over 12. This is the check, guys. Copy it, please. You have 1 minute only. So I only replace the values, the variables by its values. And here I have fraction with mixed number. I turn it to fraction. I add.
Teacher, I have a question.
What?
The 13, just to remember, 13 you multiply 4 by 3 and plus 1, yeah?
Yeah, 4 by 3 plus 1 over 4. How we turn mixed number to be fraction.
Yeah, I'm just remembering.
Good. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Yalla, copy the check, guys, please. And this is what we have today. Do not do the homework, guys. Tomorrow we will continue doing exercises about this idea. Tomorrow night you will do the homework. Thank you so much and have a good day. Goodbye for all.